Adverbs of frequency indicate how often the action takes place. It answers the question, how often? We usually put adverbials of frequency and probability before the main verb and after an auxiliary or a modal. An important aspect of adverbial is word order and where they come within the clause or sentence. Choose the best answer from the three options given in the bracket.
I have never been to Australia, but I would like to go. Our teacher is very kind. He hardly ever gets angry with us. How often do you go to the cinema? I would like to say a few words briefly before the classes. I have been waiting for ages. I have been playing tennis for 2 years now. I teach English usually on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Every day of the week I have music class. Occasionally, someone from the Ministry of Education pays us a visit.